Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome back to my new video. And how are you all? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I hope you are doing well. So today I gonna share my experience about spoken English. So long time I'm practicing spoken English. So I gonna share some clue, some point, some instruction. So if you follow me, so I hope this information will be really beneficial for your learning journey, for your speaking journey, for your as usual development journey. So let's go to the first point. So first of all, when I think I want to learn something, just not an English, so there are so many skills, we know, but I want to share just as a English learner, so I want to share about English. So when I want to learn something, so first of all I create a good mindset for learning, for becoming something. So first of all, create a good routine for your learning journey, and second, you have to give your time with yourself, because of we are learning right now a language. Language cannot improve one day. Language improve day by day, I mean gradually. So if you are following me, so I have been making video around 2 months. It already has finished, so I don't feel shy, because of I know whenever I feel and I can't make video, but I feel I have to practice, and just at that moment I feel and I have to practice every single day with myself, with myself. So that is why I want to say, if you are trying to learn English, so definitely you have to spend with yourself, because of whenever I feel I will improve my English level, so that moment I feel so I have to do work, because of without hard work it isn't possible for me, for anyone. If you are looking, so you have to do hard work for yourself, because a skill is not only a skill, this is it can be changed our future, it can be changed our life. So I hope you understand what I try to explain. And number two, you have to practice with yourself. First number was, but second number, you can write, because of writing is really important tool, and it's a really powerful tool for creating a good sentence, for creating good mindset, for creating advanced something. So whenever you want to learn something, just new thing, you can write, you can think deeply, because of if you want to start something, so definitely you have to think deeply, and then you can get what you exactly want, you will get that. So second thing is that, as a third thing is that is the mirror practice is really important for our life. I personally follow. If you are following, if will you follow, you will get a huge change from your past month to right now. So third thing is that you can practice with mirror whenever, and I as a learner, so I feel struggle that I don't have a megabyte for talking with each other someone, because of I know, as if you don't have a money for practicing, you can follow just through this method. You can follow through this method, like you can practice with yourself, and you can stand in front of the mirror. So that will be really beneficial for your learning, for your improving. So number 4, keep practicing is really important. So whenever I think, sometimes I break my rules, sometimes I stop my speaking journey to right now. So when will you start that movement? Sometimes can come a struggling movement, right? You can busy with another work, but you have to keep remind in your mind, you have to practice every single day. So you can practice always, because of whenever I feel I can practice, but in the meantime I just ask myself, and why do I want to learn English? Do I want to learn English? So then I get an answer that. So when you ask your mind, and what purpose do you want to learn English, you will be clear from your journey, from your anything, so you can clear about it. So cannot be first aid. If you are learning, so you have to at least try at least, and consistency make. is really important for tool for anything. So if you're watching this video from YouTube and from others platform, what is your feeling about this? Because of long time I have been making video, but huge benefits I'm getting from in front of the camera. When will you make a video like me in front of the camera? You will boost your confidence, and as usual you will get so many experience, so many confidence, and overall many things you can enjoy and many things you can achieve from real life. So my recommendation is that if you're watching this video, you can start from your journey. Now it's going to be 2024 is going to be finished, but coming 2025, so you can start your journey with me. So I want to start, and are you want to start? Do you want to start your journey? So let's start and let's go. So thank you for watching, and still who are watching this video, I think you really want to improve your English. You really conscious for your learning. You are really serious about that. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. Still who are watching this video, you can thumbs up my video, you can follow and share. So I don't recommend always, but if you are thinking this video is helpful for your learning, so you can follow, you can stay with me. So thank you and assalamu alaikum.